Hey, what's up, Amazon KDP sellers? So, if you saw my video last time, I found a really cool niche for the baby boomer crossword puzzle. And I theorized, well, if this exists, there must be, I thought at the time, that there is a baby boomer word search puzzle niche market. And it turns out to be correct. Check this out. Let me shrink down a bit. Here I have baby boomer word search, and I let me backpedal on that. And you see these auto suggest keywords, really good sign. As you can see here, the result count is a little bit high. It's a little bit around, actually, it's not high, but compared to yesterday's niche, I have a video somewhere around this page for that. It's much higher. So this is not considered high for result count, but compared to what I found yesterday, it is kind of high. But as you can see, this market is rife with good competition. What I mean by good competition is there's not that many result counts, but the books are very targeted. So this is a active market. People are buying and selling in this market. As you can see, baby boomer word search, nostalgic history. I check out that keyword as well. Baby boomer word search, so much. Look at all of these reviews, people, and these aren't even sponsored. These aren't even sponsored ads. These are just books that are selling with just organic rankings on Amazon KDP. A really good sign. Now, as you know, if you're a Monica royalty member, you can create these in a flash. I'll have a link to it down below. But check this out. Again, I really look into nostalgic history. That looks really interesting to me. Baby boomer this, baby boomer. We got, what was this one here? The ultimate baby boomer word search. You can focus down into like cars, cars from the 60s, movies from the 50s, or I should say music from the 50s. Okay, really good trivia stuff. You can create like a word search puzzle book around that. Again, this niche has its market, has a ton of targeted books. I highly recommend you jump in. Again, if you got Monaco royalty, it's easy to create these types of books. And you can just ask, if you're not an AI member, that's perfectly fine. You can just go to free AI, like I show you in my training. Okay, let me show you real quick. So I want to show you something really cool. So stick around, and I'm going to show you this. Okay. So here I am inside Bose Pause. By the way, it's 100% free to become a Bose Pause member. Just go to ToolShelf. Go to ToolShelf and sign up here. ToolShelf.app. Sign up here. Once you're inside, all of the training, all of the training, okay, is available to you at no cost. Start here, start with this training, and I break down how to find a profitable niche and how to target that niche and earn on that niche using my own case studies. Okay, really cool. And don't forget, check this out. If you go to member perks, these are also free tools for you. You get the free Numberlick access. This is a puzzle book you can create for your audience and sell it on Amazon KDP. You have full commercial rights, free AI stock images, create images for your covers, for example, using AI. Again, complimentary if you're a member of Bose Pause. Doesn't cost anything to sign up here and get access to this. Also, there's the KDP publishing tools and Amazing. AI Amazing is another maze AI maze creator that you can create a book around, an AI book about mazes, and again, sell it as a printable or on sites like Teachers Pay Teachers or Amazon KDP. But this one here, this is your suite of software. We got your PDF page mover, interior generator, cover calculator. This is a popular one, the KDP keyword finder. So I put in baby. These are all the trending live. This is, by the way, live searches, not saved searches, not scraped and saved. These are live searches. Okay. So this is what people are looking for right now. So baby shower. I'm also in the baby shower niche. If you've seen it in my videos and you know that. Okay. Baby shower games. Let me put in baby shower game. I'm just showing you how this works. Okay. And we have the 7 slots right here. So you fill up your niche target with different types of keywords that are related to your main book or printable in this example. Let me see some of these games here. Ideas India. I'm in Japan, so this might influence the results I get here. Baby shark games for adults, ladies only. Okay, very good. So we also have the AI text detector, description helper, KDP royalty calculator, PDF combiner. If you have, like, for example, your essential pages, your copyright page, and your main book, you want to put it together, you use that. QR generator, so you can put that on your book so that people can scan it and go to your website on their phones. You want that in your book. We have DPI checker to check if your images are of high quality, and your A plus previewer. I mean, again, a lot of talk here. Anyways, the main point here, all this is free to help you go after these types of niches. Okay, baby boomer word search is a niche that you can get into. Good result count, competition result count, and again, anybody can do this. And as you can see, this is a thriving market. All of these books have a BSR. If you They have lots of reviews, that's a good sign. People buying and selling. Okay, here I am rambling on, rambling on. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stick around, and I'll put out more of these niches for you. Again, this is a follow up to my last video. I have it down here somewhere where I show you the baby boomer crossword puzzle. And again, if you don't know what a baby boomer is, someone born after World War II, 1946. Okay, to the early 60s, I believe 1964. Okay, there you go. Have a great day and talk to you soon. Bye bye.